Hi everyone, it's your Mad Yogi Eileen here, welcoming you to the Dosha room, and I am so excited because all 24 of our Dosha Vinyasa Yoga is finally up and running, and they are all online, all on demand, and you can access them. It's an unlimited access to your channel, so unlimited access to all 24 flows. You can do them anytime, anywhere, on demand, on any device. Of course, it also depends on your connections. Yeah, you know that. So, but they are there all for you. It opens up to what the series is. So it will say Dosha Vinyasa Yoga or DVY 1.1 or 1.2 all the way to 8.3. Yeah, and it will also give you a card. That's what I was trying to say. A card, a guide to managing roadblocks to well-being. Pause it if you don't read fast, or if you want to really have it sink in your psyche, just there in the background as a sankalpa or an intention to your flow, and it guides you through what I designed for you to be feeling or thinking. And again, it's an intention because our flows reflect our life out in the real world, our life off the mat. When the flows demand that you pare them back, or that you express a little bit more patience, a little bit more kindness towards yourself, that's what we can take off the mat with us. If the flows invite you to have a little bit more fire, yeah, challenge yourself a little bit, but still knowing your boundaries, your edge, then that's what we take off. And if the flows help you recognize your edge and help you push against that edge just a little bit until it won't move, until you know that going beyond that edge is taking you into an unsafe place, then that's what you take off the mat, because there are challenges out there where we can face head on, and challenges that we need to pare back our own drive, our own passion to get into it, and tell ourselves, take a breath and reset, and then you can go back into pushing that edge a little bit further. Yeah, so have a read of our managing roadblocks to well-being cards, and they are always at the front, at the start of your vinyasa. And please also scroll through. It will be there on the dosha room on the page. Some pointers, and I talk about music, which we don't have during the class because I want you to enjoy it. Make it your own. Yeah, I lead you to it, I guide you to it, but in the end, it is your practice, your body, your practice, your mind, and your emotions. Yeah, but I talk about music, I talk about the length of your shavasana. Have the time to have as short or as long a shavasana as you want. Yeah, and everything else that you need to know is there on the website. And remember, you also do have access to the workshop room, which I have opened up to everyone. Being a member, having subscribed to the channel, automatically entitles you also to watch the workshop videos. And I talk about all of the feet alignment. Yeah, the triangles of the feet, the circles of the hand, and all of that, they're all there for you to watch and for you to read as well. I do have ebooks there in the form of a blog, you know what I mean. And they're all there to guide your physical practice so you can stay safe moving in your classes. Because when we're comfortable, when we know our limitations, when we are really highly self-aware already of our physical body, then we can really move the practice into our heart body, our emotional body, and our mental body. And when all of those, it's not just a scale of two, yeah, it's a scale of multiple bodies that we balance out. And in the end, when those are balanced, we we feel at peace, in balance. You can always contact me on our Facebook page, Eileen David Mad Yogi, or our Facebook group, Mad Yogi Tribe. Come and join, and we can, build a community of mad yogis. Yeah? Ask me your questions. If I know the answer, if I can help you out, I will. If I don't know, I will be honest with you, and we will figure things out together. Anyway, thank you very much. Come and join me on demand yoga. It's all there for you. Thank you very much.